It's official day of Sema. Ya venimos un poquito tardes, pero tuvimos que levantar un desayunito. We had to pick up some breakfast. Le voy a mandar un saludo a la gente de Chick-fil-A. Pero vamos llegando al convention center. We gotta walk a little bit. Today's the official day. We're gonna get it started. We're gonna burn rubber in a little bit, so you guys get to check it out. Vámonos.
That's right, baby. We're gonna get it. SEMA 2022. Aquí, ya saben, no quema lifestyle. We're here with Dropstar Wheels in Vegas. Thank you, everyone, for bringing us out. It's gonna be a badass show.
Hell yeah. What's up, my boy? You ready?
What's up, pariente? Yes, I'm ready. Stressed out, but yes, we're ready.
¿Dónde va el saludo?
Man, pues yo le quiero mandar saludos a todos de San Juan de los Lagos, pariente. Jalisco or anything, you know, my main, you know, that's where I come from, so, you know. También a toda la gente de Los Ángeles.
Es todos, a la gente de Los Ángeles.
Sí.
Hey, what you representing? What crew, what team? What's up?
I'm from Active Crew.
Saludazo para los compas.
Yeah, shout out to all my boys. Shit, we all out here trying to get it, you know. We're trying to work hard and trying to make it happen. Bring these tires. Yeah, on anything. Kill tires, not the homies. You already know.
Ya está viejo. What's up, my boy?
Aquí, Akira.
¿Cómo te llamas? ¿Qué onda?
Aquí, Diego.
¿Mandar saludos o qué?
Pues saludos a todos los de ahí de Campton, de Los Ángeles.
CPT.
Ya te la sabes.
CPT.
Ahí donde.
Representing.
La neta, I don't go with no club. Yo, solo bolo.
Es todo viejo.
Solo bolo.
¿Qué onda, viejo? ¿Y usted?
Aquí nomás.
¿De dónde viene o qué? ¿Cómo se llama?
Los Ángeles, Miguelón.
¿Qué representa Miguel aquí o qué?
Snyder, solo.
¿Solo?
Solo.
¿Está emocionado de venir para acá o qué?
Yeah, it's cool.
¿Y los saludos a quién van?
Pues Los Ángeles nomás.
A Los Ángeles. ¿Viejón?
Aquí nomás de spectator, keeping the church clean.
Es todo, viejón. Es todo. Saludazo para todos los compas que they're out here today to burn out and have a good time. Let's do this shit. Let's do this shit. All right, so the butterflies, the jitters, they're out. First run on Sapphire. Estuvo con madre, as you can see. La wife andaba bien nerviosa, baby.
Super.
Pero todo bien, huh? She did good. We're gonna walk around Sema. Later on, we're gonna be back and hit it again. Check out this Bronco. So now we're gonna get a Tesla. Sal, how many? Five of us. So they got this real badass system right here. They got all these Teslas, and they take the people to the different stations. Right here, number 8?
Yeah,
you go. That's day one at the Hoonigans Burnout Pit. I hope you guys like this. Se puso de poca madre. Llantas tronadas, un desvergue por todos lados. It's time for us to walk over to our booth and see what we can do. And then we'll come back tomorrow.